Hello and welcome to ITAS. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Thanks. My name is Joaquin Tapia. I'm a director of maintenance. I work for a company called Rich Logistics.
All right. Well, congratulations on winning your award today. How does it feel to win, and what are the factors that led you to win?
After so much hard work over the last 10 years, it's incredible. I'm really excited to be here. I mean, and just it's overwhelming to see some of the fruits of your labor finally take place. So, very exciting.
And how has your experience been with this conference?
Honestly, I can't say enough great things. I've met so many people from all over the world. Uh, Networking is everything for me, so I'm really just overwhelmed with joy.
And tell me, where can we find your business details?
We have a website at richlogistics.com,
Okay.
and then I also do just a lot of networking on my own. I'm really big into LinkedIn, of course, um, so definitely find me there.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you.